Hey guys, Tom here. It is the beginning of 2018. I haven't been around probably for the last few weeks of December and the first couple weeks of January. I just had a lot to do. Been working on a bunch of projects and basically just took some downtime. There was a lot. I tried to do a lot in 2017, and I just wanted to give you a little update of what I have been doing, what I have going on for 2018, and hopefully give you guys an idea of my future plans, just for how I would like to see things progress. So in 2017, if you can remember way back to beginning of the year when I was updating you on what I wanted to do, I decided I was going to do my happy hour. Every week we would make drinks, have a good time, because it's all part of enjoying your home, living in your home, using your home as a lifestyle, whether it's home repair, home improvement, maintenance, entertaining, anything else. If it has to do with getting the most out of your home and enjoying your life inside your home with your family and friends, that's what I think the HomeCraft Chronicles celebrates, and what I want to share with you guys, that I hope you do the same. So as part of that, we had happy hour every week. We made drinks. It was a great time. There were some people that absolutely loved happy hour. And there were some people, I heard from them on the home improvement, home repair stuff, but not on the happy hour stuff, which is fine. And the same thing goes, I heard from some people on the happy hour, but I didn't hear from them on the home improvement stuff. Again, great. Happy hour will continue in 2018, but it will not be a weekly thing. That was just a lot to do every week with all the home improvement, researching the kind of drinks I wanted to make, the history of the drinks. I thought that was a lot of fun, the history of certain drinks, but it was a lot of work, a lot of editing, a lot of drinking, and not every day was Friday. You saw them on Fridays, but they weren't made on Fridays, and I should have probably just stuck to one drink, but I got in these themes, and I couldn't stop at that point. It got to be really fun, and I just kept it going all throughout the year, except for that little break when I was on vacation, but it was fun. So home happy hour will continue, but it won't be every week. It'll probably be maybe once or twice a month when I think of a good event to celebrate, or a holiday activity, something like that. But I will, I think, continue to, I started at the end of the year. Is this light any better? I'm in my storage room. I don't know if you can tell that. We'll go over that in a little bit. I started at the end of the year doing little quick happy hours and posting them on social media, which I think I'll continue, because I think that almost serves a better purpose than the long, drawn-out episodes here. But I will continue that because I think they're a lot of fun. And the people that really enjoy them, I think, get a lot out of them. So I will continue them, just not at the frantic every week rate that I was doing. I mean, that would be fine if that's all I did. But I started out as home lifestyle, as far as taking care of your home, repair, maintenance, improvement, and I wanted to continue that. So that is what I want to get back to for 2018. As you remember, our basement has been pretty much the big project that we've been working on. And I've done a lot of stuff. We worked on quite a bit of things Not all of them I taped. Because some, I was kind of figuring it out, and I think it would have been done a disservice to you guys for me to do it, film it, and tell you this is how you should do it, because I didn't know that that's how you should do it. Right now, I'm in my storage room. I'll give you a quick little go around. We're getting it together. The last thing I did was over here. I don't know if you can see, I have these shelves here. And what this is back here was when the local Sears was going out of business and they were selling all their fixtures. I bought these racks, these little wall panels that these little, you make these little bracket shelves. I got 4 of them. I just kind of, I mounted them to the wall, and we have now over here, we have shelves to put junk on. Another great deal we got when our Sears was going out of business was these rolling baker's racks. We got a bunch of them, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a couple out there, and we got these other big display racks. We got them, and they have been a wonderful addition for our storage. And the other big project I did that I did not show you, actually, let me go out to this other room here. Behind me is our newly installed pellet stove. Now, it's on this hearth here. This I did film. I have so many projects filmed that I'm trying to edit and get out. This hearth took a while to do. I didn't show all of it, and I didn't film all of it, and I can't show you all of it because, quite frankly, there was a lot of cursing. I did it a certain way, and had I had the chance to do it over again, I would have done it completely differently. Because quite frankly, I did not think it out as thoroughly as I probably should have to make it work the way it should, or more specifically, to make it work easier than the way I did it. It turned out, I think it turned out really good. And the one thing we did was actually Lisa's idea. I don't know if you can see this. These are concrete pavers. And we, after we put them in and sealed them, what we did, we went to the craft store and we got little silver sparkles, and she just really sparingly dusted them onto the surface to stick, so it just gives a little shimmery effect more so than just the sealer itself. All in all, this turned out really well. The only thing we have to do is this back wall here. We're putting on this product that I've not seen before. It's called Airstone. We got it at the big box store. It's a stone product, but it's really lightweight, and you just glue it onto the wall, which I will show you when I do here, probably in the next few weeks. But that will be the next thing. But I will show you the building of this hearth as soon as I get it done, editing. The installation of the stove, I did not film because there was a lot of trial and error, and the stove itself was fine. All I had to do was I ran a electrical plug for the stove Again, I did not film that. I've shown you electrical projects before. It was pretty cut and dry. The plumbing of the chimney, well, I'll show you. See, it's back here. I don't know if you can see that. It goes back into the wall, and then it goes back into the storage room. We're back in the storage room. And it comes, here's a little door. I reused an old closet door, one of the hallmarks of frugality and cheapness. And then it goes right here. And then I'll see if you can see this. It goes out the side of the block wall right there. Now, originally, we were going to put it out this window, close off this window and put it out there. But then we just decided to punch a hole in the block wall, put it out, and just seal it up. Here's the thing. This is a chimney kit that it just kind of, it fits in, male and female, and then you spin it and it locks in place. However, every joint and every seam on this chimney leaks. So that's why you see all this foil tape. There's foil tape, there's high heat silicone. Everything in here is doubly and triply sealed because as soon as we started the stove, and we had good draft, believe me, there was no clogs or anything, but we were getting smoke leaks everywhere. But it took a little trial and error getting it done, and now it works pretty good. So the next project, after we get this storage area figured out, because the thing is, we got to get most of that stuff in there. You can see, I don't know if you can see, but I'll show you. We have here, this is an air hockey table that we just have covered up that Shadow just sleeps on right now because we don't have use for it. Here is my, well, you can't see it from there, but you may or may not recollect this. Here's the happy hour setup that is basically right now just another work area. So there's just a lot of things that I would like to do in 2018 besides the stuff that you've normally seen. I want to get back to the home improvement, home repair, because that's important to me, and it's quite frankly, it's just things that I need to do. Another thing that I would like to do, actually I'm going to go sit out by the fire. Another thing that I would like to do is I would like to, in addition to the regular home repair and improvement, I would like to get into a little more product review. And I've done a few in the past, things that I've bought, that I've used, that I think could be helpful for you guys, to let you know my opinion, if they're any good, a waste of time, a waste of money. And I'd like to do a little more of that. There's products that I see that I'm thinking, wow, that looks like a pretty good idea, but is it really? So I'm going to check them out. I have there's at least a couple things that I already have that one I think is really great and I'm going to show you guys, and another that I want to check out to see if it's worth it. But I'm always in the stores looking for things, whether it's shortcuts, making your home improvement or home repair, any kind of home projects better. I want to, let me try them before you try them and see. So, I'll spend my money and see if it's worth it rather than you can. And if there's something that you think of that, there's a product that you think of that might be helpful around the house, you want me to check it out, let me know. I'll go look for it, check it out. If there's something you have that you want to send my way to check out and pass the word to everybody, let me know that too. You can find out where to reach me down in the down below, and we'll see how that goes. So, what do we got for 2018? More of the home impair. Actually, there's been a lot of home impairment around here lately. Home repair, improvement, concentrating on the basement. Once the summer and once we get out of this winter weather, the nice weather breaks, there is a lot of things outside. Excuse me, a lot of things outside we need to do. I think we might be putting on a new roof this spring, more trees to take down. Out back, I think we want to put an outside little like cabana tiki bar type thing up in the backyard. There's a big list. We haven't even touched the list of what we want to do outside yet, because we still have a couple months of indoor before the weather breaks and we can get out and do stuff. So we have the basement. We have not as frequently happy hour. We have product reviews, and probably there's things I'm missing that I can't think of right now that's going to help you enjoy your home, get the most out of your home. You know, your home is the biggest investment you have, so why not enjoy it? I mean, I know people, they spend their entire time, they have a very nice home, but they spend all their time traveling. Why? If you have that nice of a home, enjoy it. I mean, hey, we like to travel as much as the next person, but our home is really where we want to be, where we enjoy it, where we can spend time with our friends and family. So why not take care of it, get the most out of it, and make it what you want it to be. So I hope that gives you an idea of what's in store for 2018. Let me know what you think in the comments below. What some other things maybe you'd like to see to help you in and around your home. And we'll see what we can do around here to help you enjoy your home, get the most out of your home, just like we do right here at the HomeCraft Chronicles. So I got a lot to do. Let me get at it. I look forward to seeing you real soon with a project. And until then, remember, take care of yourself and your home, guys. Happy New Year, and I will talk to you very, very soon.